All right, this video is going to walk you through how to solve for x and y when dealing with similar triangles. What you're going to notice in the picture is we have a small triangle that you see right here that is going to be similar to the larger triangle, and it's going to be similar because of angle. They both share a common angle at the skinny tip at the far left there, and they also have corresponding angles that are congruent as well. So therefore, by angle, they're similar. And whenever you have similar triangles, we can make proportions out of the sides. One way to do it, and maybe you're not aware of this, but whenever you have parallel lines like this, if there's parallel lines, the side pieces, these two sides right here and this side right here, can be broken up into those blue parts and make a proportion like you see right here. So then when we do this, the proportion you can then write down here at the bottom here could be the pieces x over 18 equals 12 over 26. And that's what you see in this proportion. So then you're just going to cross multiply. You'll multiply 18 times 12 and then divide by 26. And that will give you your answer for x. Now, that's one way to solve for x. But you could also think of it as doing triangles such that you're going to have a small part over a large part. The small part being x and the large part being the total length of this side. Well, that's going to be x plus 18. And that's what you see right here in this black box that you see here on the left. That's another way to do it. And then as you look through it, you'll notice that if you're going small x over the x plus 18 side, that's going to equal the 12 on the other part right here over the total length of 38, if you add 12 and 26 together. And as you solve this proportion will require you to multiply x times 38 and then 12 times x plus 18, making sure you distribute and multiply both the x and 18 by 12, and you'll get the exact same answer you got as the first one I just explained, the both x's. I think the first one I explained you'll find to be a little bit easier. Now the y one has to be done in the format of small over big. It only works by breaking this up into small pieces when you do the side pieces, like we did the 12 over this 26 and so on. You can do it like this, but whenever you have the other sides that are on the actual parallel sides, you need to go small over big. So what you're going to do is you're going to say small 12 over the total length 38, adding both those two sides together. That's what you're going to see in purple here. I'm going to put a box around it now in blue. And then the other ratio then will be y, the small, over the big, 13. And as you cross multiply and solve this one, this is how you solve for y. So there's only one way to set up the y proportion. There are two options, as you can see, that are in green here that you can do for the x. Hopefully this video helps, and good luck.